We're back, fam. It's been a minute. It's been raining. Went on a side-by-side trip. Took the new Kawasaki out. So last week I went and started a building pad with the dozer. I didn't show you guys that. So today I got to get this thing moved down there. And I love the purr of the cats. So I gotta get this thing moved down there and then start. There's a big pile of dirt. I'll show you when we get there. Start getting this thing. And like I said, it's been pouring rain, so he's got on schedule. It's Monday. He's got on schedule for the building pad, or no, the building guys to be there Wednesday. I'm like, dude, really? Like, really? Wednesday? It's Monday. It's been raining for 3 weeks. How are they not behind schedule? Don't put your problems on me. So got to hammer down and try to get this building pad in 2 days, which the dirt's all on site, which is good. We just got to haul from there, but as much rain as we got, I'm gonna have to go check it there. There's no way I can get my on-road dump truck through these fields. Well, and it's the same place where I did the utility lines. And you guys, some of you guys noticed that video, but when we were hauling the dirt, I just released it not too long ago. You've seen that when we're back there. It's like our 3rd time back. Let's get the old truck fired up. There's the skid plates for the mulcher. I got to get that on. Let's get her fired up. Back to it. And it's like the first day for shorts. That's always good. Another cat purring. Well, we'll get loaded up and get off to the job. Well, guys, we finally made it here after about 2.5 hours of loading up, getting that thing moved here, and that's really just right down the road. I don't think a lot of people realize your customer stuff, how long it takes to mobilize this stuff and move it around. Oh, let's get clawed up the hill here and see what we got. You guys remember this one? This is the one where I did the utilities and the driveway. That must mean happy customer if he keeps calling me back, right? Hey, you guys, don't be afraid to hit that like, subscribe, comment. To be honest with you, when I throw a video up, I'm so quick to go check the comments because I want the interaction. I want to see what you guys are thinking. You guys are the dirt fam. I want to interact. I want to talk with you guys. Comment. Let me know where you're from. Let me know what you're into. Let me know what you're running. Had a guy last week call me from Tennessee, watches my videos, like, oh, I love your videos. He's like, you got time to take this call? I'm like, always. And then he was asking me about my equipment hauler. But that's pretty cool, he called me. We're all like-minded. If you're watching, bang them buttons. I ain't asking for stuff, but I need you guys' help. Without you guys, there is no channel. Well, guys, here's what we got. The other day before it rained, I stripped all this off, which is good because, man, that was holding a bunch of water at topsoil. Get that out of here. I'm gonna lay that topsoil, got into that good dirt from where they dug the base, and push that, get that pushed off. Here's the edge of the building, get this thrown out. And then I'm gonna actually kind of take the dozer blade, rip this a little bit, so that dirt, when I put it here, bonds, cut some ledges in there so it ain't just a straight flat. Kind of lock it in, put little keys in there. My buddy that did my garage doors up here, I'm gonna go let's see what he's up to. I need to get my center door programmed. getting in with that good clay. I'm gonna take this clay here, throw it out. Woo! Heavy. A lot of water in it. It's gonna be good moisture content for packing, probably. Might be a little wet. I'll tell you what, it's like 80 degrees today. Man, I'm sweating. I called my air conditioner guy this morning and told him the Beacon needs the AC charged. Won't hurt to lay this out here, let it dry out a little bit. Start cutting this pile down, pushing it towards the pad. That's back pretty good right there. That weather does a good job of packing it. Every time you're cutting out of a hill like that, when you're back dragging house or whatever, it always falls on your track. Sometimes almost even comes in your door. It's gonna take shape. I like the before and afters. Look at that collapsing. So whatever we don't have here, we're gonna take that hill there. I'm gonna strip that. This is actually pretty wet. I might just lay it out today, let it get some more drying out, and then really do the pad, packing it and stuff tomorrow, kind of just fluff this stuff out here. We'll see how it goes. Bang that button. Be a part of something. Be a part of something bigger than you. Like the government says. Making my cuts on this hillside here to lock it in. Full of dirt. Do some compaction with this. This thing compacts better than a dozer. It's wet and heavy. Beautiful day. Some of this up here, let it start drying out. While I'm packing. it in. Well, we got it all thrown out. What I did a little, man, see, the thing is, all this water is running right down laying there, so I dug all that out, letting everything air out. As hot as it is today, shouldn't have a problem airing out pretty quick. That stuff down there was just a little too wet. This is getting pretty good. So everything I kind of compacted in there, I dug it out where that water was laying against that pile. It's coming together. Don't look like much now, but we'll get her looking like something. We always do. Sure wish I had another Red Bull. My wife bought the like 8.3s on sale. They had them super sale. I'm like, I don't know if 8.3 is enough to get me through today. I'm more of a 12.0 type guy. You know what I mean? If you want me to be hitting on all 8. Got another lift in, got everything thrown out, laying it out. It's actually drying up pretty quick with this. Man, it's hot. I don't know, it's probably 8 degrees. It's hot in the sun, a little bit wind. But right here, where all that water was up against that pile, was kind of mushy there, so I redug that back out. I'm not gonna put too much more down there, kind of let that dry. And then tomorrow, we're gonna be digging out of that hump there and trucking it over here, and then I'll have the truck, we'll start rolling it in. That's why I stopped before, something freaking in my track. But go see what it is for it. Gets caught and breaks or something. My buddy was digging a pond and a rock got caught in here and sawed this in half and the whole thing fell off. If you hear an unknown noise, go out and see what it is. Looks like something's rubbing there. Man, something's cutting in there. I don't see anything. There must be something jammed up in there. More of the same. Shove it, level it, compact it. It's drying out a bunch just from letting it set out there 15 or 20 minutes. Well, fam, here's how it's turning out. Got everything compacted in, and I took that pile and threw it out, just letting it air dry. Deep down in there, it's a little wet, so we'll let it dry out. Got the borrow pit stripped, so tomorrow we'll back the dump truck up, dig it, load it, dump it, and I'll blade it off. So I got Idaho coming tomorrow. That's a good thing, I guess, and he never texts me back. Let's just hope he comes. So I'm not doing 10 things at once. You can see it's shaping up. This is going to be our grade here pretty much. Right here, and then we'll get that on around, and that's the property line. We're going to take this down. I think he's going to do a retaining wall. I think he wants to build like a road around. We'll move all this topsoil around to the back side. So yeah, it's turning out. Like always, we'll catch you guys back here tomorrow. Bang them up.